Welcome to the Blackboard Original Training Series. In this video, we will cover the basics of working with assignments in Blackboard Original. Let's begin. First, you'll need to find your course. You can do this by going to the Courses option in the Blackboard menu. My course here is Math 101, so I'm going to click into the course. Now, in this case, my panel is collapsed, so I can show my course menu by clicking on the arrow button. In order to find my assignment, I am going to click on the content. I'm going to go to week 1, chapter 1, and I will see that the first thing listed in this module is the lecture. I'm going to scroll down and then I can see my homework assignment. In this case, it is called Generate Equivalent Fractions. The instructor has given us a brief description about what the assignment is about. So it says, for this homework assignment, provide 3 fractions that are equivalent to the following fraction, 2/5. Then further, they give additional instructions that say, be sure to show all of your work and upload your assignment as a PDF. In order to access this assignment, you just click on the title and it'll take you to your assignment information. The very first thing you see is how many points the assignment is worth. In this case, it is 10 points possible. And then further, it goes into more detail about what you are supposed to do. So again, you need to provide 3 fractions that are equivalent to 2/5. Show your work and upload your assignment as a PDF. Next, you can go on to assignment submission. The first option it gives you is to do a text submission, and you do that by clicking here. However, your instructor gave you specific instructions about uploading it as a PDF. So in order to do that, you have to click Browse Local Files. Before you do that, you have to make sure, of course, that once your assignment is complete, you save it to your computer as a PDF document. I will locate that document by clicking on Browse Local Files. And then I can go to my assignment, which I saved as a PDF here on my desktop, called Math 101 Assignment 1. I click on the file and click Open. I can see here that it has been attached. There's my file name. And then I can also go in here and change this if I wanted to. So if I didn't want to say Math 101, if I just wanted to say Assignment 1 and just leave it at that, I could, or I could just name it whatever I want, but it automatically generates a title for you if you don't want to edit it. I can scroll down a little bit further, and here in this text box, it gives me the option to add a comment. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you wish, you can say something like, here is my attached PDF. Thank you. You can leave it blank if you want, or you could add a comment. The next thing is where it is time to actually submit your assignment, but it gives you 3 options. Of course, you have the submit button. So attaching the file up here does not automatically submit your assignment. You have to scroll down at the bottom and click submit. Now, if you don't feel like you're quite ready to submit it yet, but you have to go do something or there's an interruption, you can click Save Draft. It does not submit it, but it just saves your changes and you can come back later and work on it. Or you can just click Cancel and you quit the assignment without saving anything. In this case, we are going to choose Submit. The next thing that you see is a big purple bar across the top that says Success. Your submission appears on this page. Blackboard generates an image of your document that you submitted. Here you have the options. You can print it, or you can download it, or you can search the document. There are several different options that you can do there. On the right-hand side, you have a little bar here that you can uncollapse it, and it gives you the name of the assignment. Then the next thing you see is your grade. Now, since we just submitted it, the instructor, of course, hasn't graded it yet. So you're going to see a blank grade out of 10, or out of however many points possible your assignment is out of. And it shows your attempt. If you have multiple attempts allowed, it'll show all of your attempts in this area. Okay, here is my submission, assignment 1. And then again, I can download it if I would like. And then it shows my comments. Once your instructor goes in and grades it, this will show the grade right there. Instead of a little slash, it'll show your grade. And if the instructor decides to leave any comments, they will appear here as well. You can also access this information in the My Grades section, but you can learn more about that in one of our future Blackboard Original Training Series videos.